Hello, my name is Syva Shakynah Ivanka. My name is 170705048. Our presentation about neurolinguistic. What is neurolinguistic? Neurolinguistic studies the relation of language and communication to different aspects of brain function. It tries to explore how the brain understands and produces language and communication. To understand the neurolinguistic, we should know the part of human brain. Human brain consists of three main parts, such as forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. Basically, human language center is located in the frontal lobe of human brain, where the left and the right hemisphere are located. The first is hindbrain. Hindbrain is the lowest part located at the base of skull. It has two important structures, medulla and cerebrum. Medulla controls respiration, reflex movement, digestion, and heart beating. It also connects brain with spinal cord, and they are crossed. Cerebrum controls muscle spasticity, coordinates the muscle movement, and also controls body balance and body movement. Then the smallest part of brain is midbrain, located above the brain stem. It functions of receiving the sensory signal from sense organ such as eyes, ears. When someone turns his head to right, left, up and down, his eyes still are able to focus seeing the object. This because the process of midbrain. The most vital part of human brain is the forebrain. This area consists of three structures: thalamus, cerebral cortex, hypothalamus, and corpus callosum. Thalamus functions as the connector for the sensory signal to the brain. And there are neurolinguistic cases. One is Wernicke aphasia. Wernicke's area is taken from the name of German neurologist Karl Wernicke. Injury to this area causes language disorder to happen and is known as Wernicke's aphasia. Wernicke's aphasia is characterized by a similar speech but abstractional talk, nonsense speech. And then there is Broca aphasia. It takes from the neurologist from France named Paul Broca. Then Broca area is not only role in motor system, but it also involves a very complex language skill such as words processing, grammar, sentence design, whether active and passive sentence, subject, predicate, object, and statement. And then there are pure word deafness aphasia. Another aphasia that involves in brain injury is aphasia pure word deafness. This type of aphasia happens when an injury occurs in the area leading to the Wernicke's area from auditory field. Condition aphasia, when people have a pretty good understanding of speech but are relatively weak to repeat the words, they are known as condition aphasia patients. And there anomic aphasia and aprasia aphasia. Anomic aphasia involves in trouble of finding words that coincide with spontaneous speech, although understanding of language and repeated words are good. For example, the difficulty of finding the right name for an object. And then global aphasia, the cause of injury in the left hemisphere or critical injuries in connection areas of language that demonstrate most or affecting aspect of language in patient is called global aphasia. Injuries that occur in the brain of patient can result in physical and verbal disorder. And the last is dyslexia. Dyslexia is the case that disturbance in reading and writing. There are several types of dyslexia. It happens when an individual is non-proficient in reading and writing. Dyslexia can be observed since childhood in the acquisition of reading and writing proficiency. Dyslexia can be divided into two types. One of it is alexia that causes disturbance in reading to the patient. The other is agraphia, resulting in the patient experiencing trouble writing. And that's it for neurology linguistic. Thank you.